Gonna come see what Opa's doing? You guys building your cart? How come you get to make a car with Opa and I don't get to?
Did you make a car with Opa when you were little?
I sure did. I made a few things with Opa.
What?
I can't even remember them all. There was a lot because I was always out in the shed trying to help Opa.
Tell me why.
You know why? Because Mara loves the smell of wood when wood's been cut. And you know all the little wood chips you're playing with over there? I love those. I think those are great. I like the way they smell and I like the way they feel.
If you have little critters, you see,
like a
see
hamster.
how nice and soft it is? And little gerbils and stuff, the animals, they like to use that for bedding.
I had like a little pet mouse. It was a hamster when I was a little girl, and that's where he slept in.
That stuff is nice to put in the garden and mix it in with the soil so that the soil absorbs a lot of moisture in flower beds and stuff.
Hi, sexy.
I had 15 big bags of it and it's all gone now.
So what are you making, Brenden? Yeah?
I don't always use that, but when little ones are watching, I don't want him to think that it works without.
Hey, dear. If I have a flashing battery, does that mean my battery's running low?
Okay.
How much time do I have?
A minute.
Ah, okay. I'll have to go get another battery.
Now Opa's gonna glue that together. See, we glue that together here. And then I'll put it on the rotor. And then we put the wheels on. Maybe I should.
Maybe you should make a trailer for us.
Like a trailer.
I like these constructive ideas.
What's Opa doing now, Brenden?
I don't know.
What does it look
Putting
like?
glue on, eh? Maybe I should have.
You're making
I'm going to make a van. That all right? I have to get the glue stick because I'm running out of glue.
I have to watch where I walk because when Mara was a little girl, she stepped on a nail.
where?
Yeah, you got to be
In my
careful
foot.
with that. I'll be right there.
In this foot. I can show you the scar after. But you know why I stepped on a nail? Because I was a bad girl.
What are you doing?
Well, Opa had a tool shed. It was in another house. And there was a big pile of wood beside it. And right at the end of the pile of wood, just under the eaves trough of the garage, there was a mummy birdie who had built a nest. And she had eggs in there. And Opa was telling us at supper time all about this mummy birdie. But don't go and look at the nest, because he didn't want us to disturb the nest or the mummy. But Mara's curiosity got her so much, I just had to see that nest. And I thought that I'd get such a good look at it if I climbed on top of that pile of wood. I could see the nest, and on that pile of wood, there was a big rusty nail. And I stepped right on it, and it went right into my foot. So that was my punishment.
Clamp on
Yeah, it
here.
went right through my shoe, the nail. Right into my foot. Kind of like when they hammered Jesus on the cross.
What?
Remember when they said they hammered Jesus on the cross and they put the nail right through?
Yeah.
Here, I'll show you.
Yeah. Opa's gonna do some sanding. Make this.
Nice and smooth. When you sand things, Good idea, Opa. This is better than watching Tool Time.
What?
This is better than watching it on TV.
Looks like a truck to me now.
Does it? Brenden said it looks like a truck to him now, Opa.
Yeah, it's coming. Hey, it's coming just like Christmas. Hey.
Oh, was that you were saying, Bud?
He's coming. It looks like an into you.
Yeah, what did you say? He's probably what?
Probably a truck.
Yeah.
What does it look like to you?
It looks like a truck to me, too. Pardon me? Pardon me?
Now, we got to go to the router.
Okay, let's go to the other room. We get to watch some other stuff.
Oh,
Opa sure has lots of tools.
sure is.
Make them nice and round. You just watch.
Can you say that?
Paint it.
He just asked me, will slivers go through paint? And I said, well, I don't think so. Well, can Opa paint that?
Well, what,
Opa made it smooth
You
so you
know-
won't get any slivers off of it.
see, there's no slivers there now. You feel that?
Opa made it really smooth for you.
Now, see, maybe you can help Daddy paint it, eh?
Oh, yeah, Daddy's a good painter, too.
Daddy is good at that. Opa,
You may not want to paint it when you see it all done. That sure looks sharp, doesn't it?
4 wheels.
The edges are not sharp.
No, Opa made them all smooth. Yeah, I know. You got to watch it on that, Opa. You don't want to get your finger caught in that thing.
No. I'm trying to...
You only have
Oh.
to make 3 because you did one already.
What's that?
You only have to make 3 because you did one already. When you were showing them how that worked?
Oh, yeah.
The rotor, the one that you took? Everything's so simple, isn't it, Brenden? It's just so easy. Oh, Daddy, Brenden just asked, do slivers go through paint? And I said, well, no, I don't think so. Well, can Opa paint that then? I said, well, Opa's making it nice and smooth. So he just made it smooth.
That is pretty snazzy.
He wants to paint it with you.
Looks like our man. What you think? What? Yeah, you think it's fun? This is neat. I like your family's place.
The workshop?
Workshop and all the stuff inside is kind of cool.
Yeah, actually, this is my dad's little haven, actually, back here. And he can come back here and lose himself.
Well, with all this stuff around, yeah, I imagine.
I've always loved coming to the shed. I just love the smell in here. All the wood. Oh. That's part of a birdhouse, eh? This is part of the bird feeder that Opa's building.
It's Darth Vader.
These are the pieces. You know the ones that I got to plane down there that I made the jig for? Well, I cut these out, and then I cut the board in half, and then I got two of these, and then after it goes on the router. So now I got the four wheels for his truck.
You wanted to make a trailer too?
Eh?
Do you want to make a trailer too?
Yeah, but what today? Hey, you know what I should do? I tell you what, Opa is gonna make some of that stuff, and then, oh boy, I don't know, you better ask Daddy and Mara if it's okay, because then Opa has to bring it to Tilsonburg, eh? I
It's
don't know.
okay, of course
Maybe
it
they
is.
don't want Opa to come down, and then then you have to come and get it.
It's okay.
Of course it's okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay, then Opa will make some toys for you. You can take the truck along.
You think his truck's going to be ready today, Opa?
The truck is going to be ready in a few minutes. I just got to find.
I'll find the wheels for the trailer.
Okay, you go ahead. You pick out some wheels for the trailer. Then Opa can set them aside for after.
Oh,
He's
you're going to have to call Daddy into painting it for you, though.
He's just picking out the wheels for the trailer there, Opa.
Two wheels for the trailer.
Oh, okay. Well, you put them here, and then I'll. Hey, you know what I?
You want to go pick out some wood for the trailer too?
I got tandem wheels on it, 2 wheels on each side. Yeah,
These are the two.
yeah, then you can have bigger loads on. You get duals. And then they fly off on the 401.
Pardon me?
What can we pick out?
Well, I don't know. See if you can find something, and then you can ask Opa if that's okay. You want to come finish watching him make your truck, though? Then you know how your truck's made. That might be kind of
There'll be
interesting.
a quiz. You'll have to remember how it was made.
Maybe when you're a bigger boy, you'll be able to come back here and make things and use the tools yourself with Opa. Would you like that? When you're big and you can use all the tools? Mara's used some of them.
What tools?
The tools back here, Opa always let me use all the hammers I wanted to and all the nails I wanted to.
What, did you make a car or a truck?
Nope, I can't say I've ever made a car or a truck. I was never that creative.
Did you make a van?
No, I never made a van. I made things for me, like girl things, and for my science fair project, I made a backboard.
A doll?
I never made a doll out of wood, no.
Did Opa paint here?
I made a little boo-boo. I got to put some washers in there.
You looking for some pockets, Brenden?
Here they are.
I don't know how you know where everything is, Opa. Actually, it used to always amaze me that you always knew where everything was.
But after you're done van, do you think you can have enough time for the channel?
Yes.
Give an inch, take a mile, eh?
Got to have it real. Well,
Hasn't Opa been working hard enough on your truck? Yeah.
we're going to get just that. 50. Wonder if I managed to drill out of round holes. Well, we'll see.
What you looking for, Daddy?
See how it works, Brenden.
You cool? Do you want your jacket back?
What are you looking for, Dad?
Opa's pretty fast, eh? He's already got 2 of your wheels on already. Boy, is that ever neat to whip up a truck in one day like that.
Yeah, maybe I can get a job at Cammy.
I doubt it. You take care in your work, Dad.
I guess.
I question some of the people on the line. Some, I said. The only thing we're missing from this video was the Dutch swearing when you drop stuff.
We can dub that in later.
Yeah.
Well,
No, potverdomme, nog toe, potverdorie en...
Als Clement gloeiend naken, 3-dubbel overgehaald.
No, that's better. Now I feel like I'm in the
I
shed.
used to work with a guy and he could swear for 5 minutes without repeating himself once.
Yeah.
Is that where you learned it from?
Quite the
You'd be
vocabulary.
competition for him, Dad.
He, his name was Theo the Bear. He, the Theo the Bear. literally translated. He was an older guy, might be dead by now. But he stood on the step ladder once and he hit himself on the thumb, blood gushing out. And then he started off. And at first, you know, I thought, God, it got to be real bad. But then he carried on, and I was waiting for the same thing to come again, but he never repeated himself, and I had to start laughing.
Whoa!
Oh, hey.
What? There's not much of a cami wheel.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
That's what I said.
Cam's in trouble with her tires. A sore spot right now.
That thing is not on straight.
Does it look like it's on straight, Brenden? Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe Opa have to get a pokey-okey
You have
device.
to go for wheel alignment.
Opa and Brenden are making a truck.
Is that already?
Okay.
How about a big hug and a kiss? I think that deserves more than that, eh?
Yeah.
Now how about $10? $15?
No. Opa's gonna make.
Lucky boy.
Hey, when we go inside after, I got some magazines, and I'll show you some pictures from toys and stuff. Okay, make one. You tell me which one, okay? There is
Spoiled boy.
Even has a fire truck in here.
Let's zoom in on the truck.
Would you like a fire truck?
Oh, he doesn't like fire trucks. Do ya? He likes all trucks. There's the finished product. You lucky boy.
You got. Oh. Well, that's one thing about this truck. It won't break too easy. I think it's an army truck.